Hey there everyone, welcome you to Pragya Insights. It's great to have all of you here. Today's video will be very interesting as we will be building our first Tableau dashboard together using Superstore dataset. This dashboard is very basic dashboard. I just want to get you more familiar to what can be the business needs and how to build dashboard step by step based on the requirements. I know you all are very excited, but before that, let's have our brush up question. So the question is, what is the label card used for? A. To filter data from your view. B. To show the values on the marks in the view. C. To create our visualization. Or D. To add colors in the view. Provide your answers in the comment. And if you find any difficulty answering the question, please feel free to watch my previous video on shells and cards. The link provided in the details. Take an example. Suppose you are a business analyst and your client is Superstore and they provided you their sales data to gain some insights. They want to analyze sales in different states of America, sales trend over the years, sales of each category and subcategory in their store, and also want to see how different segments are performing. Based on their requirement, let's think what would be the best approach to build our dashboard. As per their first requirement, our client want to see how different states are performing in terms of sales. Since to show the location-wise sales, best choice would be building a map which shows sales in each state within the map. Their second requirement is to check the sales trend over the years to see whether their sales are increasing or decreasing with time. We can build the line chart or bar chart to show the trend. For their third requirement, we can build a bar chart showing category-wise sales and also add legends to segregate sales in each segment for each category. After finalizing our view for each requirement, our dashboard will look something like this. Let's build this dashboard step by step. I insist you to build your dashboard along with me. Let's start. Sales by state map. The very easiest way to build the map is press Ctrl button on your keyboard and select state and sales and then click on map from show me drop down. And your map is ready. As you can see that Tableau works automatically to choose fields for columns, rows and other marks. Sales field defines the color. We can also change the color as per our choice. There is a Tableau list of color, but I am going to choose my own color using custom sequential option and then selecting color according to the choice. We should also show legends of the map to show sales in each state. Drag state and sales into the labels card. Let's make font bold and also change the actual number of sales into thousands. Sales by year. Let's create another view to represent sales trend. For this, drop order date field onto the column shells. By default, Tableau generates hierarchy for date fields and show year of the date. By simply clicking plus icon, we can drill down till day level. But for our current example, year is required. So I will close the hierarchy and drop sales into the rows. And select the bar chart from mark types, change its color. I will reduce the thickness of the mark, make the legends more visible and format it to show the values in thousands. Sales by category. To show category and subcategory sales, we will drop category field into the columns and drill down till subcategory level. Then we will put sales into the row shelf. Since the view is wide enough, so I will swap the fields using swap row and columns icon from toolbar. I will be sorting value for clear visibility of which subsector is performing better. Since client also want to see the data in each segment, so I will drop the segment into the color marks and change the color. Turn on the legends. I will also increase the transparency and format the font. Always rename the sheet based on your views so that it will be easy to understand which sheet is showing what. So let's just rename all the worksheets. Let's place the chart on dashboard and understand the insights. To create a dashboard, click the icon New Dashboard. Drag the sales by state sheet On the canvas, the color legends are also shown automatically. We can also remove them. Drag another sheet sales by year on canvas and you can see that Tableau starts suggesting the area to place our sheet by making a dark grey color behind. Let's place our bar chart below the map and place sales by category chart on the right of the bar chart. Our dashboard is ready. Let's try to draw some insights from the dashboard by simply visualizing it. As per the map color legends, we can see that greener the area, higher the sales. It's very easy to say that California sales is highest. After that, Washington, Texas, New York is also having good sales as compared to other states. Our second insight is sales is increasing over the years with one exception in 2020 where sales is down as compared to 2019. In each category and subcategory, consumer segment sales is highest than corporate segment sales. And also home office segment sales is the lowest. These are some of the insights we can draw by simply looking at the visualization without reading sales value. If I turned off the labels, then also it would be easy to draw these insights. That's all for this video. I hope you would be able to build this simple visualization. If not, then watch again and pause play at times when you are lagging behind. Now it's time to see the answer of our warm-up question. The question was, what is the label card used for? The answer is option B, to show the values on marks in the view. Like in our current dashboard, we are showing sales in each view. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos. I'll see you in the next video.